Hey everyone, I am Lauren, back with another makeup tutorial using a few products from the lip bar. I'm gonna go in with the Just a Tint Skin Moisturizer. So I really love this product because it has hyaluronic acid and SPF 11. SPF, if you don't know, is a sun protector factor, and since the temperature is getting warmer and the sun is going to be out more, the SPF is really going to protect my face from any exposure of UV rays and UVA rays from the sun. I don't use too much of the product, but if you want to build this product, you can definitely do that. I'm going to use the Quick Concealer in the color Mocha. I've used this concealer before and I just have so many nice things to say about this. It's very buildable and the consistency is very lightweight and it feels so nurturing underneath the skin. And as you can see, it's already blending in seamlessly, very seamlessly. It has a natural glow to it. It's brightening up the eyes underneath, and you don't even need a setting powder. It's just good as it is. Next, I'm going in with my brows because any look is not complete without brows. So for the brows, I'm using the Lip Bar's Micro Arch in the color Deep Brown. So this pencil is very easy because it has a spoolie on the end and then the pencil is on the opposite side. I'm going to make sure I fill in any missing pieces that I see. And I just like this pencil because very easily I can see what I'm doing, and using that spoolie to use any excess from the pencil. And I'm just gonna fill in the other brow. Very quick and easy, to be honest. If you're on the go, this is pretty easy to do. You can keep this in your bag, use it as needed throughout the day. All right, and those are my brows. I am very satisfied. Now I'm gonna add some color on my cheeks using the highlighting blush in the color Pinch Me. Look at this color, you guys. This is very pigmented. Ooh, I feel like I'm going to be like a little baby doll with this on. So I'm just gonna take some of that, and this is very buildable, like this. Can you see that? Yes. Ooh. Yay! Now to finish my look, I'm going in with some color to my lips. And firstly, I am going to use the Liquid Matte in the color Hot Mama. I'm really starting to like Liquid Matte now because it just goes on very smoothly and dries very quickly without drying your lips out. Now I'm gonna add some more color using the lipstick in the color City Girl. Ooh, look at this. Look at that, that's a nice springtime color for sure. So this combined with the Liquid Matte, it just goes together very well. So that Liquid Matte is acting as a lip liner. Yeah, I actually need some eyeshadow, so I'm going to use the liquid eyeshadow in the color Superstar because that's who you are. Alright, for this I'm just gonna place one dot because that's all I really need, and just use your finger to blend that out and you've got a look. Whoa! And just make a bold statement with the eyes because this is really pigmented. Well, actually I can wear this every day if I wanted to. Yay! Oh my gosh, I feel so pretty.